Can you guys hear me pissing right now? When I see this type of hell, it makes me feel like all my faith is gone. Yo, what's up? Today we have Andrew, who's actually my assistant engineer.
What up?
Usually when we're cooking up in the studio, he's in the back in his office, and I'm like, Andrew, Reese, send me a Reese bass, send me a sub bass, send me tambourines, shakers, tune these vocals, and you're like, on it. And then you just are cracked.
We're switching roles today.
Andrew is a freak of nature for a couple reasons. He's a producer, he went to college, and you have a music degree up on the wall, which is nuts.
It is behind the
You
camera.
also have perfect pitch, which we're gonna put to the test today. And I mean, you can play everything. You can play drums, guitar, you can sing, but your main thing is keys. So we are gonna just cook something up.
Let's do it.
So we had this guy the other day. Dun, 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 dun.
So do we want that to be the chorus?
I think that can be the chorus, but like verse, like. Dun, 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 dun. We'll do like acoustic as the main guy.
Sure.
But layer, like, since you shred on
Yeah.
keys, do a lot of key
Yeah,
stuff.
sure.
And then, yeah, like more indie treatment,
Sure.
I think, than the rest of the stuff that I've been doing.
Let's do it, yeah.
And then, like, since you went to college and you know more notes than me, and you have perfect pitch, I think we should try to sauce up the chords and
Yeah.
make it slightly big brain.
I don't have a big brain, but I can fake a big brain.
What note is this?
That is A flat.
What is this?
Or G sharp. That's C sharp or D flat.
What note is this?
It's E.
You're a freak.
I have in my studio / bedroom here.
Dude, I like the vibe. It's
thanks,
good.
bro.
This is like the perfect sort of like writing room and
Right, yeah.
producing room
It's pretty nice.
to do
It's comfy.
indie stuff. You
It's
know?
comfy. It's comfy. Today we'll be using the beautiful Warm Audio lightsaber.
And Andrew is waiting for another Warm Audio mic to come, and we both got the mystery box from Warm Audio. It's like $250, and they give you a random mic. But Andrew's like, wait a second. I learned on Reddit that you can check the weight of the box.
Yeah.
My box was like 4 pounds.
He got the cheap one. He got the 200. He paid 200 and he got 200.
Andrew's box weighs 14 pounds. Wait till you see him play the keys. Total mutant.
I've never been called a mutant before. That's a
Loving-
new one. All right, so we got that, and then I want to get. I'll just have you do the chorus while we're here as well.
Okay.
And then yeah.
So we have like a general skeleton.
Right, and then we can move around. Stuff.
Yeah, because I want to do some stuff like, because it's cool that this is in a small, echoey room.
Right.
There might be some cool points, like like the last pass of that could be cool if I'm standing in the corner.
Yeah,
playing it,
totally.
You know what I mean?
That would be cool, actually.
Yeah.
I almost want to, like, with the guitars, have them, like, quadruple track. Because I feel like Coldplay does that also. Let's do it with the chorus where we have just big acoustic
Sure,
guitars.
whatever you
That'd
think.
be so sick. Yeah, so for the chorus, play that progression, it's just a little harder. I love that. I want to do that 3 more times.
Dude, should I do another pass of that? Like 2 more passes maybe further away from the mic and really slamming the acoustics?
Yeah. Honestly, while you're there, do you want to just do it for the verse so we have
Sure.
it? Yeah. Actually, before I do drums, I'm going to do just a layer of kind of these same chords on here.
What guitar is this? Just standard? Oh, it's the same one that I
Beautiful.
have.
Yeah, basically, except I have a
humbucker.
humbucker on it, which I love. That's the reason I got it, because I wanted a telly, but I also wanted to have that sort of humbucker sound.
I just want people
So
to like
fucking good.
picture Lenny Kravitz with his shirt off.
That
like,
is
when they're
exactly
listening
what we're going
to-
for.
Yeah. What are you using for bass?
Dude, Moto Bass, free IK multimedia bass plugin. This thing sounds fantastic.
Oh, you can pick where you want to
Yeah,
pick.
I just use a 60s bass, but they got all these options. I haven't paid for them yet, but I've used this on plenty of records, dude. And it sounds great.
Wow, this is a cool plugin.
It's pretty cool. What I'll do is I'll turn the amp off and then run it through Guitar Amp. I have a bass preset that I like to use that has sort of a Sans amp already set up, so check it out. Already has my Sans amp kind of mixed in.
Nice.
And it just sounds great, you know?
Show us the preset. Leak
Dude,
the sauce.
this is my clean Reese preset, but a lot of times when you have Reese's and they're detuned, you get a lot of like fluctuations in like the volume because it's like the low frequency waves are like phasing with each other.
Yeah.
So what I do on one of them is I remove the first harmonic on it. I believe it's this one. That's why this sine wave looks a little bit different. So then you just get, it's kind of just this pinned low end. Forget the exact science behind it. It's something like that. A lot of people do it in the EDM world. I kind of figured I carried over here. I do like with this to move this up, and then I will kind of bump this distortion a little bit.
Nice.
And it just has a nice... But I gotta say, dude, I wasn't using Reese's that much until you were showing me that you use them.
Yeah, I mean, it's funny, even in indie stuff, like how often there's just like a low end staple.
Now I want this to be very dry indie sound. I love the way the Modern Massive just like completely default thing looks. I'll go in and mix it eventually later, but I'm gonna sort of have really bring down the rooms a bunch, and not this snare, but I think it's this one. I love that.
Yeah, super farty.
Yeah, exactly. Just beautiful. That's a good place to start with this, I think. And we can always change it if we need to later. I want very minimal reverb and just be really closed, sort of close mic. I'm not gonna really route a ton of stuff out. I do have it running through just Distressor and 1176 for now. But yeah, let's get a pattern in here.
Are you someone who like messes with velocities a lot as you go?
I do. I'm not gonna do that right now. When I'm having a session, I'll like just kind of plug it in. But then when I go back and edit and produce it, I'll be very, very specific with velocities and stuff. It takes a while, so I'm not gonna do it right now. Only thing I don't like is when it's like really high velocity. There's just kind of weird transient thing that happens. So I like to keep everything like sort of just below the highest sample velocity. So, and then I kind of compensate with compression. I want to have that really like live sort of room sound. So what I have sort of auto set up is a 16th note tape echo delay here. This is...
Oh, that's beautiful. Yeah.
And I like to use this on. So I want to get to a point where we start sort of automating that.
Oh, I love that
You know
stuff.
what I
Yeah,
mean?
on the vocals too is really cool.
Yeah, not super loud, but I feel like that'll be perfect for this sort of vibe. I want a super chorusy, almost rotary sort of lead line on the guitar. I feel like it'd be really, really cool. Da, 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 da.
Yeah.
Like we said, we wanted to fuck it up a little bit.
Yeah.
So maybe we like, instead of doing a low octave, we...
That's sick.
Yes. Oh, dude, that's really sick.
Yeah, do you have anything to like computerize it
Yeah,
a little
let's
bit?
do Serum effects. You can use Serum just as an effect rack.
Oh.
So you can use all their, and they have really, like, I love... I don't do that, but you could even do like, throw...
Oh yeah, that plugin's great.
I like their downsample.
Exactly.
You
Yeah.
know, something like that.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
So I kind of want this playing after the chorus hits, you know?
I'm a big fan of like building up to the chorus rather than like, here's another section. Like if it was like...
Cool. And then let's also do...
those room ones?
Yeah.
Can you guys hear me kissing right now? I used your toothbrush. Hope that's
Oh,
okay.
yeah, all good, yeah. So what I want to do now is mess around. This always goes on like all my indie tracks.
So I wanted to write the song about, I know someone who like basically married somebody for money. They split up. The dude like came back to like just kind of like talk to his, I guess, ex-wife or wife or whatever.
Yeah, yeah.
And he came back and like all the stuff was in the driveway because she was just trying to sell everything.
Oh my
I
gosh.
didn't tell him anything. When I heard that, it like ruins my trust in people. And it's like kind of like, I want to make it introspective like that, but not like you're a piece of shit.
That's a
You
great
did this,
idea.
You know what I mean? But it's
Yeah.
more just like when I saw that, like there's people who love and there's people who like take. Let's go to the chorus. I'm gonna start with love can be disgusting. Love can be disgusting. It can make you starve. You know, like something like that could be
Be
cool.
disgusting.
It can make you starve.
Break you down to nothing.
Break you down to nothing. Sometimes I gotta fall and take you, leave you in the dark. Leave you in the dark. Love can be a like a villain. Love can be, what's the most like heinous thing. Love can feel like murder, a cage. Love can feel like prison. Love can be a weapon is sick. That's kind of corny, but like in this context, it's cool. Love can be a weapon.
Stab you in the heart. Love can be a weapon. Stab you in the heart.
Love can be a weapon. Stab you in the heart. Make it look like heaven.
Make it look like heaven.
Behind all of the scars would be cool.
Make it look like heaven.
Behind
Cover up your scars.
I think there might be a way to flip so we can use dark at the end. And
well,
use
how do we do
scar
it? How do we
halfway
use
through.
it?
Break you down to nothing. Leave 1,000 scars.
Leave 1,000 scars is cool.
You down to nothing. Leave 1,000 scars. Make you feel like heaven. Then leave you in the dark. Let's do the doubles real quick. So what do you got on your vocal chain here?
So I got auto tune. I'll hit it with the de-esser right after. And I usually do like 2 stages of de-essing. I'll de-ess before hitting anything, just kind of the raw vocals. But usually I hit it with the Neve pre first, do a little EQ, and then roll off like 80. I'll jump between the LA2A and the distressor. I've been using this more lately, but usually for more aggressive vocals, I'll use the distressor. I just had this on here, so I'm just gonna stick with it. And I usually for quick vocals, I'll use RVox. I do like RVox. Sometimes I'll just use it as like a bus thing, but I like it, you know, just kind of a second stage of compression. I'll hit a channel strip, SSL, usually I'm boosting some top end. I love sort of like the boosting mid-range, like around
nice
110.
Especially with this mic, it's super airy.
Yeah, it's super airy, and also just like I feel just like, you know, I really try to focus in on the mid-range with the channel strip. I'll hit the black box saturator. I love this thing.
Yeah, I love that thing. I never used it on vocals before.
It's fantastic on vocals, just a nice sort of lift. I won't do it now just for latency, but I'll usually do like a soothe de-essing thing post black box, and then I'll usually run the entire vocal bus through some light bus compression and like just a tape thing kind of round things off and a little more EQ.
Nice.
And then I got all these different vocal sends here. I kind of have like 3 different lengths of reverb I'll use, and, you know, usually plate, hall, and room, whatever, and then classic, you know, just like slap and then delay stuff.
Selling your things in the front yard.
But like, selling your things in the front yard, da-da.
Doors locked, I guess it got too hard. Your friends think that he's a bumper. Your friends think you can do better. Oh, that's good. Think you can do better.
What about for this last line, we don't do anything? So like,
your friends think you can do better. Better.
You know, better.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like, kind of give it some space to breathe.
Too hard. Your friends think you can do better. Better. What's better? You married for the money.
Married for the money and the
like image of a home. Like the idea that you have to get married. Oh, the status quo is cool.
Oh, yeah.
What's better? You married for the money and the status quo. Look out at the family, I bet nobody knows.
Look out at the family you don't even
know.
know.
That's
you know
good.
What I mean?
Look out at the family that you don't even know.
Yeah.
Look out at the family you don't even know.
Right now, what's the point of trying? I like that because it's found out right now, and it's also the line right now.
What's the point of trying?
I like that.
So right now, what's the point of trying? Sell off your things in the front yard. Doors locked, I guess it got too hard. Your friends think you can do better. Better, what's better? You married for the money and the status quo. Look out at the family you don't even know. Found out everybody is lying. So right now, what's the point of trying? When I see this type of hell, it makes me feel like all my faith is gone. It's gone. It's gone. All right, dude. I want you to shred on piano, please. What the hell? Yeah, dude. Dude, screw this song. Let's make this. Sell off your things in the front yard. Doors locked. I guess it got too hard. Your friends think you can do better. Better. What's better? When I see this type of hell, it makes me feel like all my faith is gone.
That's really cool.
No shit, it's cool. I mean, yeah, obviously you're shredded, dude. Lawrence from School of Rock, he's like the coolest guy, right? You're right there. You are right there. Everybody else, Beethoven?
I don't know if I can.
Way down.
I don't know if I can top Lawrence for School Rock.
End this song with the most sad thing.
Well, how about I just track it, no metronome, and see what happens.
Okay. Stop. That's perfect. Oh!
Sell off your things in the front yard. Doors locked, I guess it got too hard. Your friends think you can do better. Better, what's better? You're married for the money and the status quo. Look out at the family you don't even know. Found out everybody is lying. So right now, what's the point of trying? When I see this type of hell, it makes me feel all my faith is gone. Love can be disgusting. It can make you stop.